This is the TX80 Pro Android TV box. Let's see how to factory reset the TX80 Pro TV box. First, go to Settings. Go to Device Preferences. Scroll down. Click on Reset. Select Reset. Select the Erase Everything option. Now wait for a few minutes. The TX80 Pro Android TV box is now reset. This is how you can factory reset an Android TV box.